In this video, I'll guide you through how to show busy on Google Calendar. This is really helpful if you want people to see that you're unavailable during certain times, especially when they're checking your calendar to schedule meetings or appointments. We'll walk through the simple steps to change an event from free to busy so others know not to book over that time. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that you use for your calendar. If you use multiple accounts, double check that you're in the right one by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. Once your Google Calendar is open, find the event that you want to mark as busy. This could be a meeting, an appointment, or even a block of focus time you've already created. Click directly on that event. When you do this, a small pop-up window will appear showing the event details like the title, date, and time. In that pop-up, look for the pencil icon, which is the edit button. Click on the pencil icon to open the full event editor. This is where you can change all the details of the event, such as the title, time, description, and visibility. Inside the event editor, look for a drop-down that currently says free. Depending on your screen size, this is usually located near the middle of the event options, close to where you set the time and calendar. This setting controls how your availability appears to others who can see your calendar. Click on the free drop-down. You'll see an option labeled busy. Select busy from that list. By changing this setting, you're telling Google Calendar to show that time as unavailable, so when someone else tries to schedule a meeting with you, they'll see that you're already booked during that slot. Before you leave the page, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top right of the event editor, and click it. Once you hit Save, your event will be updated, and that time will now appear as busy on your calendar. If you want to double check, go back to your main calendar view and click on the event again. You should see that its status is now set to busy. You can repeat these same steps for any other events you want to mark as busy, or switch them back to free later if your availability changes. That's all you need to do to show busy on Google Calendar. With just a few clicks, you can make sure your schedule accurately reflects when you're available and when you're not.